Dear students, today we are going to learn about median. So, about this median we have already learned in class 9. Now again let's see, median is a central value, right? Central value or middle observation of a statistical data if it is arranged in ascending or descending order. Suppose the data are there, n number of observations, data means n number of observations are there or variates like x1, x2, x3 up to xn, right? So this x1, x2, x3 they are arranged in the ascending or descending order. Now suppose if we are asked to find the median of these variates or observations, then first we must count the number of observations. So number of observation, last number is how much? It is n, right? Number as it is already given. Number of observations is how much? It is n. Suppose if you want, if the number of observation is coming odd, right? Then to find the median value, we must use the formula median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2th observation, that if n is odd. If these observations are even, like 2, 4, 6, right, 8, 10, these are the even numbers. If the observations are coming even, then we can use this formula median is equal to half within bracket n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation if n is even. Okay. Again, let's say about the quartile, right? Like median is the middle value of the observation. Now quartiles, there are two quartiles like lower quartile and the upper quartile. That means we can say in roughly what we can say, this is the middle value of 0 to the median is known as the lower or the first quartile. Similarly, middle value of median to the upper limit, right? Upper limit is called the upper quartile or the third quartile. Okay, now let's see here. Quartiles are the values of a statistical data which divide the whole set of observations variates into 4 equal parts, right? First, second, third, fourth. Okay. Now lower or the first quartile, if the variates are arranged in ascending order, then the observation lying midway between the lower extreme and the median is called the lower or first quartile. It is denoted by Q1, capital Q1, right? So to find the value of lower quartile, we can use this formula Q1 is equal to n plus 1 divided by 4th observation if n is what? It is odd. Like here you can see, if the n observations are there or the variates are there x1, x2, x3 up to xn and they are arranged in ascending order, then the lower quartile Q1 is equal to n plus 1 divided by 4th observation if n is odd. If these variates are even in number, then the lower quartile will be Q1 is equal to n by 4th observation if n is even. Now number 2, upper or third quartile. If the variates are arranged in ascending order, then the observation lying midway between the median and the upper extreme is called the upper or third quartile. It is denoted by Q3. Suppose n observations are there. Observations are variates or terms, you can say terms also. Okay. Now observations are as x1, x2, x3 up to xn and they are arranged in ascending order. Then if number of observation is odd, then to find upper quartile you can use 3 within bracket n plus 1 whole divided by 4th observation, right? Similarly, for even number of observation, upper limit will be n by 4 n 3n divided by 4th observation, right? Now if we are asked to find the interquartile range, so interquartile range is nothing but the difference between the upper quartile and the lower quartile, that is Q3 minus Q1 will be the interquartile range. Semi means half of interquartile range, half of interquartile means Q3 minus Q1, right, divided by 2 will be the semi interquartile range. Now dear students, you can see question number 1. In a class test, the marks scored by 11 students are 13, 17, 20, 5, 3, 19, 7, 6, 11, 15 and 17. Now find excuse me, median, number 2 lower quartile, number 3 upper quartile, number 4 interquartile range. So whenever we are asked to find the median, lower quartile, upper quartile, right, interquartile range, then we must, the first step is we must express the data in ascending order, right, ascending or descending order. So we can draw we can express in the ascending order. Now from this data, first find out the smallest value. Smallest value is how much? 3, then 5, then 6, then 7, 11, 13, 15, 17, 17, 19, 20. So they are in the ascending order. Number of observations, n equal to how much? 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is what? It is odd. Therefore the median will be how much? It will be, median is called n plus 1 divided by 12th observation. So n is 11. 11 plus 1 divided by 2 will be 12 by 2. If you cancel this, you will get 6. Sixth observation. So sixth observation. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So 13 is the sixth observation. That is median is how much? It is 13. Now to find the lower quartile, right? Lower quartile, and we know that n or the number of observation how much? It is 11, which is the odd number. So for odd number, lower quartile will be given by q1 is equal to n plus 1 divided by 4. So this much observation, n plus 1 divided by 4th observation. N is 11, 11 plus 1 divided by 4. 11 plus 1 is 12, 12 divided by 4 is equal to third, right? 3. That means this will be third observation. So third observation, which one is the third observation? First, second, third. So third observation is 6. Now for upper quartile, Q3, formula is 3/4 of n plus 1th observation, right? Now 3/4 of n is 11. 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. 3 into 3 equal to 9th. So this will become 9th observation. So you can see in the order first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9th. So 9th observation is 17. So upper quartile range is how much? It is 17. Now in part number 4, we are asked to find the interquartile range. So interquartile range is upper quartile minus lower quartile. So Q3 we have got 17 and Q1 is 6. So 17 minus 6 is equal to 11. Now dear students, you can see in question number 2, from the following frequency distribution, find the median, number 2 lower quartile, number 3 upper quartile, number 4 interquartile range, right? So this is on group data are given. Variate 15, 18, 20, 22, 25, 27, 30. Frequencies are 4, 6, 8, 9, 7, 8, 6. Now we can express this in a table, right? Cumulative frequency distribution table. Now variate is x, frequency is f. So cumulative frequency, you know how to find the cumulative frequency. Okay, so you can see here. So this will be how much? 4. Cumulative frequency is 4. 4 plus 6 equal to 10. 10 plus 8 equal to 18. 18 plus 9 equal to 27. 27 plus 7 equal to 34. 34 plus 8 equal to 42. 42 plus 6 equal to 48. So from here we can see 15. There are 4 15s, 6 18s, 8 20s, 9 22s, 7 25, 8 27 and 6 30. So these are the variates. Okay, now you can see here in the cumulative frequency we are finding that the total number of total frequency is how much? It is 48. So if you add this all, you will get how much? It will be 48. So 48 is the even number. Now to find the median for such a or this kind of table, we can use the formula for even number. We can use the formula half n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation, and we have got 48, right? 48. So that means 48 divided by 2 is equal to how much? 24. Similarly, 48 divided by 2 is equal to 24. 24 plus 1 equal to 25. So that means this will become 24th observation and this is the 25th observation. So 24th observation. So from this frequency, cumulative frequency distribution, you can see this 4, that means 15 is repeating 4 times. After that, from 5th to 10th, 18s are there, 11 to 18, 20s are there, right, and 19 to 27, 22s are there. Okay. Now if you see, dear students, 24th observation, so that means 27th observation, this will be the 27th observation, this will be 18th observation. So up to 18th observation we are finding 15, 18 and 20, right, 15, 18 and 20. Now from 19 to 19th is 22, right, 20th is 22, 21st is 22, 22nd is 22, 23rd is 22, 24th is 22, 25th is also 22, 26th is 22, 27th is also 22. Okay. Now, so 24th observation is how much? It is 22 and 25th observation is also 22. So that means 24th observation is 22, 25th observation is also 22. So 22 plus 22 will be 44. 44 divided by 2 is equal to 22. Therefore, the median for such a problem is how much? It is 22. So this problem is how much? It is 22. Now, to find lower quartile, you can see Q1. Q1 is how much? N by 4th observation. And we have got 48 divided by 4 will be how much? It will be 12th observation. So 12th observation, here you can see, that means up to 10th observation 18 is there, 11th to 18th observation how much? It is 20. So that means 12th observation is what? It is 20. So we can see 12th observation is how much? It is 20. For upper quartile, 3n divided by 4, n is 48. 48 divided by 4 is equal to 12. 12 into 3 is equal to 36, right? 3 12 is 36th observation. So 36th observation, that means up to 34th observation we have got 25. 35th observation is 27. That means 35th to 42nd observation is 27. So 36th observation will be 27. Therefore Q3 is 27. Therefore interquartile range will be Q3 minus Q1. Q3 we have got 27. Q1 we have got 20. So 27 minus 20 will give you 7. Now dear students, you can see question number 3. Calculate the mean and the median for the following distribution. So how to find mean we have already done, right? Now let's see, in a single table only we can find both mean and median. Now here numbers are the class marks, right, X, or we can say variates. Okay, variates. Frequency is already given 1, 2, 5, right, 6, 3, 2, 1. So we can find the summation of F, it is 20. You know how to find cumulative frequency? So this is 1, 1 plus 2 equal to 3, 3 plus 5 equal to 8, 8 plus 6 equal to 14, 14 plus 3 equal to 17, 17 plus 2 equal to 19, 19 plus 1 equal to 20. So here also it is coming 20. Okay. Now to find mean we must have Fx, right? Fx is the product of frequency and the class mark. So frequency is 1, 1 into 5 is equal to 5, 2 into 10 equal to 20, 5 into 7, 15 is equal to 75, 6 into 20 equal to 120, 3 into 25 equal to 75, 2 into 30 equal to 60, 1 into 35 equal to 35. So if we add all this, that is summation Fx will be how much? It will be 390. Therefore, mean will be how much? Summation Fx divided by summation F. Summation Fx we have got 390. Summation F is how much? It is 20. So 0, 0 will get cancelled. 39 divided by 2 will give you 19.5. Therefore, the required mean is 19.5. Now, to find median, we must see the cumulative frequency. So, cumulative frequency is how much? It is 20, or this is 20. 20 is what? It is even. Okay, so for median, number of observations are even. Median is equal to half n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. N by 2, n is 20, 20 divided by 2 will be 10. So this will become 10th observation and this is 11th observation. So 10th observation, so 8th observation, up to 8th observation we have got 15. So 9 to 14th observation will be how much? It will be 20. That means 10th and 11th observation is also 20. 20 plus 20 will be 40. 40 divided 2 is equal to 20. Therefore, the required median is 20. I hope all of you have understood this. Thank you.